don't know why, but I really like the look of this one. That's the one thing I noticed about my kayak when I had it on the water's edge. How much I brought all those empty dry bags. I didn't need any of them. Too light to use at night. Well, there's another buoy. You get to recover the next one. Yeah, feel those weird ripples underneath the water. Figure out what that is floating straight out of it. Glycerine! Like Listerine and glycerine. Bruce didn't know Brad gave his boat away. It sure as hell looks like a black and red kayak. Could have been swept downstream from the flooding out. And it just could be a wet piece of wood too. I think it's just plywood, but I'm gonna check it out. Yeah, I did from the distance. Now, they don't look particularly busy at the moment. Every side you're rolling it, you have to roll over. It's water that way. It'll... Whee! Woohoo! Those DOT dollars getting no. I didn't even have the heat on down there last night. Look out across the street, see all the trees floating up and make a giant bonfire out of it. Daddy's like, baby, can you test the radio for me? You had a drag net? I can tie that fucker up. I thought you said, oh my God, Wayne is coming. I'm like, it's 90 degrees. I'm not worried about. Oh, is that the red one you were talking about over there? Yes, but you're sweeping to the right side of your boat. It's not going anywhere. Jacob is outside when I roll the garage truck, cooking one of his crabs. It looks like it's on, but it's too plain. Don't run into you. Bunch of seagulls out there to the left. I'm just trying to keep up with your TV ads. The beach on the other side is smaller. Hopefully you do it right behind you so the camera captures it. Notice above the ripples. Yeah, with all the slopes, I wouldn't be rippling through here. There's two lakes connected on the lower lake. That water looks shallow right there, though. Funny, this is water I've not been on in a kayak. I think the other beach is easier. I think the other beach is actually easier, but